tell you something, you know. Me not back from no boy, no girl, nobody, and me not apologize to no man. So me tell you this, you can take it to the court, and me go show you who have lawyer, who have money for defend things.
Free the Gargan, free Ninja. Of course, it's a Ninja Man video. I did check out to see if there's any update on his appeal case, which was scheduled for June 2nd, but I saw nothing. As a Ninja Man fan, keep the Gargan in your prayers, and we're gonna get into it. It's a short video, but it's a sweet video. We're gonna laugh until on the teeth kin. I promise you.
Me don't want to be no done. And me don't want to be no politician.
Okay.
Them two responsibility there, me no want.
Take it from the Gargan, the wise man. Don't want to be no done, don't want to be no politician. Too much responsibility. Politician is bad but not so bad. Done right now in Jamaica, not a good idea. Every week, me turn on my TV, every week me take up my phone and go on This Is a Blast, one done dead at Jamaica. Yeah man, I remember as a boy, member said to me, he was not a bad man but a respectable man, and he must say, done ship, done business, it's not good. It never end good, because one, the community can turn against you, and two, if too much crime and violence in the community and police come to you as they done and say, listen, you need to get rid of this man because he might keep up too much effort. If you don't get rid of him, police will get rid of you and him. And that was in the 90s. Now, police will get rid of you and him. Regardless. No done business. Anyways, as always, Ninja is a wise man. And do me a favor, just like the video for now. Yeah, man, by liking the video, it go a far way. And just share the video as well with at least 2 of your contacts. 3. Respect.
People, me still tell no say, me done with junkie. Shut your tiling mouth. You just send out the fattening price. They say, junkie a shit head down. Well, me shit in a warren head that just dead. Me now no manners.
Run it again.
People, me still tell no say, me done with junkie. Shut your tiling mouth. You just send out the fattening price. They say, junkie a shit head down. Well, me shit in a warren head that just dead. Me now no manners.
What do you want me to say? I have nothing else to say, but just like a video. Man say him poop in a warhead that just dead in a no manners, and we all know that. Gilly, where are you? We got some work to do now. Ninja Man always have a counteraction, whether a song or in a speech. He has to have the final say. Let's jump in another one.
Me a lock sing, and me young enough. To me whole man them things say me done enough. To me get Adams, one of me gun enough. They never know me have a lot more a coming on. Tell me Saleng say fi bring me money coming on. If him not bring him man a straight run down enough. No make sense, there is nowhere for turning on. All the mouse a go get bun down enough. Not here family just because they young enough. Send Bunty Beanie well love running on. Love out his tappy get a neck running on. Whoop in the country better he got turning on. Say some press money Ninja turn it down enough. But me say sting money it have to running on. Not to me show me Saleng to me gunning on. And when me show him all boy play domino. Show me
Poor Macadam didn't have a stand a chance. I think it was a pre-Sting friendly clash on stage. Macadam versus Ninja Man. Poor Maca. Winford Williams set up Macadam star. I swear to you. Ninja Man spoke his mind lyrically. Ling better run his money. Ninja always have problems with Ling and his money over Sting. And Ninja build Sting, you know. Talk truth. From 1987 and then 88 he just clash the 3 man them and hang them over there. Yeah man, one of the greatest clash man. Anyway, see man this Gully Bop here.
Gully Bop, let me tell you something. You see, true, me richer than competition, and me comfortable more than foolishness. That's why the only reason why you get to chat up your beak like when Fowler pick up can and get away without pick up two in your head.
Let's run it again.
Gully Bob, let me tell you something. You see, true, me richer than competition, and me comfortable more than foolishness. That's why the only reason why you get to chat up your beak like when Fowler pick up can and get away without pick up two in your head.
Rest in peace, Gully Bop, and free Ninja, man. Remember his thing where Gully Bop was hot, you know, at one point, you know, man. Man, run up on the stage and this everybody. What was his song again? Stay behind the fence, girl, I can't face me. Kia run down, run come see me. Skin out, pan, ambulance, pan me. Up in your belly, me as... Free up the gargan. We have one more video left. If you like the video, like the video, man, and share it. Remember, say YouTube will fight the channel, so help me fight back like a nuclear bomb. Poof.
Let me tell you something.
Let me
hold on.
When
you say that,
in the mid-90s.
hold on, when you say that, I can hit a point to you. I don't care whether you believe me or not, you know.
Yeah.
The last time I give my life to God, wholly and solely, and I work.
Did you really?
And when you not done criticize me, I couldn't take it no more. I have to come out and say, God, if I so much Christian to be, I can't take him, I walk away. But
hey, Christian, big up all like genuine Christian them. Big up all like genuine church goers them. But Christian and church goers, I most hypocritical people them. We all know that. Hey, we all have sin. Church sister, we see you as sin and try to ridicule you. But yet, church sister has sin too. And the thing is, every sin has sin in our God's eyes. Only the laws of the land differentiate certain sins and turn it into a crime. Like if me tell you a lie, a sin. But there is no comparison between a lie and murder. Right? But enough of them are hypocrite, man. They just go to church on Saturday or Sunday, man. Most of them upon Sunday they ain't go to church, hypocrite one them. Yeah, Adventists, you know, so me gonna say, yo, we you understand, we kinda keep our end of the bargain most of the times as Adventists. But Adventists didn't call me. Anyway, we come to the end of our video. Me hope you like it. If you don't like it, share it. If you don't like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, click the notification bell. If you like it, leave a comment in the comment section. Me and you, let's start down there. And what else? Me don't know. But just stay safe. God bless.
Me tired of canned meal, brother. Me eat it so till me bind up. I mean, not talk about no prayer in a Jesus name. My belly jam like old gate.
hold on.
In the
When you say that,
In the mid-90s.
hold on.